Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to create an automation or a semi-automation with Pinterest. Okay, so if you go create automation Pinterest, this is using the Chromecast, the Chrome extension for PostGenie. Okay, so Pinterest importer, click here to download the Chrome extension. All right, and then you'll install this PostGenie importer extension. Then you'll be able to use the face swap or character rebuild as well. This is where you can create characters in here. Characters you just have faces. And then you construct a character. What's a bit of a description about your character? All right, bit of a description there, like the face. Okay, and then use the Chrome extension. So I'm gonna go to Pinterest. So I'm on Pinterest, yeah. You can scroll through Pinterest for anything. And then see, I'm posting the importer, what it will do, as it will either rebuild the image completely or it will face swap the image. Okay? So I'll show you a rebuild. So I'll rebuild this image. So if you hover over this, you've got import to PostGenie. I'm going to use my Vanessa face. I'm going to recreate. So you can recreate or you can face swap. I'm going to recreate this image. Okay, so I click recreate. It jumps over to PostGenie. It's recreating the image. Okay, it's been created. So I go view my images. All right, there it is. And so you can see it's switched out the face. So it was that, and it recreated the image to this. So you can see the subtle differences between there and there. Like the laptop color is different. So it rebuilt it, so that way the image you get is unique. Okay? So I'll show you face swap just so you can see the difference in what it's like. I'll face swap this one instead. So I'll change it to face swap. Okay, it says the image is being created, so I'll go anyway to do my images and just wait for it. So it's generating the image. Well, it's just doing a face swap for that image. Okay, that came through. Yeah, it still looks kind of similar. It didn't really change it that much. But you can see the nuance in the eyes, at least. So it's definitely is there. I'm going to try it again with Vanessa 4 instead. Okay, so it's bordered across. The face is a bit different, as you can see. But I think the reason it doesn't look like, my character is because it's a face swap. It can't actually update the hair. Do you know what I mean? So there's the original. There's my new face. But it couldn't update the hair. So I think that's why it's kind of not really looking similar. And so you can see the limitation of Facebook. It's actually better just to rebuild the image because then you rebuild, it's completely original. Okay? So that's how you get images across from Pinterest. It's really cool, right? It's so fast. I can import this one. I'll just recreate it there. Recreate. So you can see how much faster this is. Just a real fast workflow of getting images from Pinterest over into PostGenie There we go. Sometimes it can be a little bit hit and miss because it uses Google Nano Banana and it can be quite picky with the original image if it thinks it's not safe for web. So yeah, if you get a fail, just delete it. It doesn't cost if you get a fail. Okay, and then you go, so it's rebuilt that file of image with my character. So it's pretty cool, right? And you can just use it. You can create a video from it. You can edit it, or you can just use it. So yeah, that's it. Have fun.